make some good profits this week. Market left us big clues here. Let's talk about that in today's video. Very important liquidity that you need to know right here, here, and here. We're looking for big moves this week. Let's talk about that in today's video. I will also share with you the expected moves for SPY this week, how to plan your trades ahead. If you're not a day trader, but you're trading weekly, it's important you know the expected ranges and understanding the liquidity in the area more than just the ranges here. Now, quick recap since my last video. Thank you for your patience. I haven't been very well, but nothing's changed since the video on Monday. Now, that's how long ago? About a week ago, where I talked about the retest of the 5-day moving average together with this green algorithm. Just take a look exactly as it is, and we built that beautiful head and shoulder pattern, inverse head and shoulder pattern in that orange buying continuation structure as well. So nothing's changed. I also talked about this orange buying continuation structure right here on 2nd October. Nothing's changed. When you understand the buying continuation structure here, this becomes very straightforward. Identifying this orange algorithm is absolutely important. You see that happening right there. Now, this was on 2nd October at 9:19 a.m. before market opens. Now, understanding this, it's important. You need to know by identifying the algorithms how to be looking at such continuation structure like that. Absolutely beautiful. Now let's talk a little bit about Friday, because it's important. You need to understand this key liquidity right here in that Magenta algorithm. Now on Friday at 9:52 a.m. Now 9:52 we were still absolutely early, but very importantly we identified this very key Magenta algorithm here. Now understanding this Magenta is very important, and you see how once we started closing and breaking out from the initial Magenta, you wait for the subsequent Magenta to start building, and together with the blue you're able to deduce from that dual algorithms right there. Just take a look. It's beautiful. Magenta in control even in the right shoulder, giving us an absolutely beautiful trade. Now, near the top, it's important. I talked about this. I warned you about the tapering at the top with the Magenta, and you see it for yourself. So once you're able to identify this Magenta algorithm, it's very important. From there, you're able to see this very beautiful setup right there. Now, this particular trade here, 5 figures for me, all because you understood how to be looking out for the Magenta algorithm. Now, when you're day trading, you don't have to worry about whether it's going up or going down. Stay focused on finding profits in the chart.